So we're going to write 2 addition sentences you can use to solve the problem and write the answer. This first one, number 15 on page 134. Roy sees 4 big fish and 9 small fish. How many fish does Roy see? So, Sophia, how many fish do I need to draw? How many fish should I draw for my big fish? 4. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to switch colors so that it's easier to see. And how many do I need to draw for my small fish?
9.
Good job. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you have a question, Sophia?
Could we color the circles so we know which ones they are?
Yes, that's why I had you take out your crayons. All right. So I have 4 big fish and 9 small fish. Just like Miss Prince said, we always put the first color in our first box right there. So I'm going to write 4 because that's how many red we drew. And then we drew 9 blue for the small fish. Let's see, Liam, how many do I have all together?
Thirteen.
13. Good job. We're going to count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Just like Liam said. 13. But we want to show 2 addition sentences that we can use to solve the problem. And just like we were doing yesterday with Miss Prince, we're just going to flip-flop it. Okay, we're going to show our add-ins in a different order. So Zayden, what number should I put first in my second addition sentence?
9.
9. Good job. And then what should I put?
4.
4. And then how much does it equal?
13.
13, right, because it's the same answer because they are the same numbers. So, Roy sees 13 fish. Make sure you are following along on your page as I am doing it.
We have a math on the spot.
We do have a math on the spot, you're right. Sophia, what are you doing? All right, we're going to go on to the next one. Justin has 6 toys. He gets 8 more toys. How many toys does he have now? I'm going to draw 6 toys. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then he gets 8 more toys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kieran, what should I put as my first number in my addition sentence right here?
Four.
If we have 6
Six.
and 8, what should it be my first number? What number did I draw first?
6.
Good job, 6. And then what should I put here?
8.
8. Good job. Kieran, how many do I have all together?
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Let's count together, Kieran. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many do I have altogether, Kieran?
14.
14. Good job. 14. Xander, what would be my addition sentence if I flip-flop it?
8 plus 6 equals 14.
Good job, Xander. Thank you. 8 plus 6 equals 14. Because if we're adding the same numbers, it's going to equal the same amount, no matter which number we start with. So he has 14 toys now. Thank you, Xander. All right.
Hi, Joey. You're telling me that your voice is in this container? That's impossible. That can't be. Is this for show and tell? And you can't talk? Okay, well, can you help me with this math problem, or at least watch me? Okay, here we go. All right, Anna has 2 groups of pennies. She has 16 pennies in all. Do you want to say that? Okay, when she changes the order of the add-ins, the addition sentence stays the same. What sentence can Anna write? That's the question. You want to take a guess? I guess I don't know what's going on with his voice. All right, here we go. So let's think about it. What we know is we're going to group this 16 pennies into 2 groups. There's going to be the red group, and then there's going to be the blue group, Now, we want to split them up so that the number here plus the number here is going to be 16, and when I switch the order, in fact, it's going to be the same number sentence. Well, the only way that could happen, Joey, is if, in fact, these 2 numbers are, in fact, the same. So, therefore, the order won't make a difference here. They'll be this exact same looking sentence, which means this is a doubles fact. Exactly. I knew you'd be surprised. So all we have to do is now break this into 2 groups where each group has the same number, and that's actually easy to do because we know a doubles fact with 16, it's going to be 8 and 8. And so we see that one group, the red group, is going to be this 8, and then the blue group is going to be this group, exactly, thank you, which is going to be that 8. And so we see now that 8 plus 8 is 16. So there it is. So 16 equals 8 plus 8. And if you reorder it, now you see 16 equals 8 plus 8. No matter how you slice it, it's 8 plus 8. And so therefore, this great doubles fact solves the riddle. What is the sentence she can write? 16 equals 8 plus 8. That's his way of saying 8, I guess. All right. I still don't believe you, but you better run off to show and tell before it's too late. Bye. Oh, wait, Joey, you forgot your voice. He is so silly, isn't he? His voice is in here. Come on.
I love math, Professor Burger. Can we do another riddle? Oh my goodness, what am I gonna do?
I'll save the rest for later. I guess he was telling the truth. Have fun with math, and we will see you soon.
So we're going to see if that is in our problem right here.
His voice was in a jar.
Yeah, his voice was in a jar. It says, Anna has 2 groups of pennies. She has 10 pennies in all. When she changes the order of the add-ins, the addition sentence is the same. What sentence can Anna write? So if we have 10 pennies, one, two,
Good morning.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pennies. How should we group them so that we have a doubles fact?
5 and 5.
Zayden says 5 and 5. Who agrees? Raise your hand. Is our doubles fact for 10, 5, and 5? Xander agrees. Kieran agrees. What do you think, Sophia? Yeah? What do you think, Liam? No? And Aaron agrees. Awesome. So if we split it up, 5 and 5. See if we can get my page to stop moving. 1. Hold on, Jose. 2, 3, 4, 5. So I put 5 over there, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So that shows us that that is our doubles fact because it is the same number. So we are going to write 10 because it said she had 10 pennies in all. And then Zayden told me that it should be 5 plus 5, and that's an ugly 5. So 5 and 5 is our doubles fact for 10.
The other one doesn't look like a 5, it looks like an S.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Is that better?
Yes.
Yes.
Now it looks like it's
All right. Jose, did you have a question?
Yes, can you restart all the way in the first? I barely got in.
No, I cannot. We don't have enough time to start from the beginning. You're going to have to ask your mom for help on those.
Okay. As long as if you could tell me the numbers.
Yes, I will tell you. We are on page 134, Jose.
No, from the beginning, like the beginning of the numbers, the math test, like the math on the top.
Oh, we don't have time for that, Jose. We have to keep going on. All right, last one on this page. It says write the add-ins in a different order. And it shows us right here 3 plus 4 equals 7. Aaron, what is the add-ins in a different order?
Four equals 3 minus 7.
So it should equal 7.
That's the addition sign.
So how do I write that in a different order?
4 equals 3 equals 4 minus 7.
You are right. 3 does equal 4 it'd be 7 minus 4. You're right. But we're looking at addition. We want to add them. How can I add 3 and 4 in a different way to make 7?
What numbers can go right there?
What are my numbers flip-flopped?
Quickly. Don't have all day.
4 and then 3.
Good job.
So plus.
Good job. Thank you, Erin. 4 plus 3 equals 7 is how I would draw that one. Oops. In a different order.
Miss Cheetah, I did it too.
Good job,
Kevin
Jose.
was right.
Let's make sure we're not blurting out, okay? All right, we're going to go on to the next page. We are on page 135. This page is homework, so you do have to do it on your own. If you need help, use the raise your hand button and I will help you solve it, okay? But I will not give you the answer.
Could you read the problem to us?
Yes, I can read them to you. For the first 3 problems right here, it says add. Change the order of the add-ins, add again. So you're just going to make it flip-flopped and solve for them. You may start.
Could you read the next problem now?
Yes. Write 2 addition sentences you can use to solve the problem. So you're going to write 2 sentences. Camila has 5 shells. Then she finds 4 more shells. How many shells does she have now? And you do not have to do number 5.
Thank you that I don't have to do number 5. But why? Oh yeah, because we don't have a lot of time.
We're not doing that one because that won't be on your test. So we're not going to do that one.
Okay. What do you do on the bottom of the middle one?
What?
What do you do in the other one now?
This one?
Just do it. Yeah.
Camila has 5 shells. Then she finds 4 more shells. How many shells does she have now? And you need to write 2 addition sentences.
I did that. So then, do you have to do this down here?
What?
Let me just. I have to lift my computer.
All you have to do is write the equations, honey. You just have to put stuff in there.
Here?
Yep.
After this, can we go downstairs?
So you see where it's circled? All you have to do is make your addition sentences right there. That's it.
I think I'm gonna be the first one downstairs. Great idea, thank you.
Yes.
Did it.
Good job.
I'll cross out the bottom one.
Teacher, can you read me number 4?
This one?
Yeah, wait, do we do number 5 too?
No, you do not have to do number 5. I'll read you number 4.
Okay.
Write 2 addition sentences you can use to solve the problem. Camila has 5 shells. Then she finds 4 more shells. How many shells does she have now?
Do I write 2 ways how to?
Yeah. So this is going to be the same thing we did on the last page. So Camila has 5 shells. What should be my first number I put in?
5.
Then she finds 4 more shells. So what number should I put in now?
4.
Yep. And I'm just going to solve for that. And then I'm going to show my add-ins in a different order right there. So I'm going to flip-flop it on the second one, okay?
I'm done.
Thank you, Liam. Does that make sense, Aiden? Xander, do you have a question?
Can you read me number 3?
Number 3? This one up here?
I mean number 1.
These ones? Xander, are you asking for these ones right here?
Done.
Thank you. Xander, do you want me to read these?
Yeah.
Add. Change the order of the add-ins. Add again. Does that make sense, Xander?
Yeah.
Make sure you're working, Xander.
Okay.
Liam, are you working? You finished that page. Okay. I'll read you the next page. If you are finished with page 135, one second, Jose. If you're finished with page 135, you're going to go to 136. 136, and next page over.
1, 2, 3, 6.
136. What is another way to write 7 plus 6 equals 13? And it's already written for you right there. Oh, it is my turn. I really don't want to have to give you guys a tally mark, but we're having a lot of blurting happen today. Okay. Kieran, do you have a question?
Yeah, I didn't do the one what the 4th problem.
Okay, I will go back to that, but there's a couple of kids that need me to read the next ones, okay? So I'll go back and read that to you in a second. Okay, Kieran?
Can you read me the next one?
One
Next
second,
one.
Liam. Jose, what is your question?
Can you help me on, like, can you read the page on number 4?
Yes, I will read that to you and Kieran in 1 second, okay, Jose? Thank you for asking politely and raising your hand. All right, if you're done with that one, what is another way to write 6 plus 8 equals 14? And it is written for you. What is the sum? Write the number. So you're just adding here. You're just solving for them. All right, Kieran and Jose. This one says, write 2 addition sentences you can use to solve the problem. So you're writing 2 addition sentences. One of them is going to be flopped. Camila has 5 shells. Then she finds 4 more shells. How many shells does she have now?
Can you read number 4 on next page?
1 second, Liam. Right, number 4 says, how many nests are there? Write the number. 2 nests and 1 more nest makes how many nests? Zayden, I saw that you raised your hand. Thank you. What is your question?
Do we do number 137 today?
No, that one you will do with Miss Prince.
Yeah.
So if you are finished, you may pull out a book
Just
and read.
one. Okay.
Thank you, Zayden, for working so hard.
Welcome. Then do the one that says lesson check.
What was that, Kieran?
Said I didn't do the one that says lesson check.
Lesson check. This one?
Yeah.
Okay, I can read them to you. What is another way to write 7 plus 6 equals 13? And it's written out for you. You just have to solve.
6, 8 plus.
Xander, did you finish your work?
Yeah.
Good job.
We not have to do this page. You not have to do this page.
No, you do not have to do that page today.
We have to do it with Miss Prince.
Right. You will do that with Miss Prince tomorrow.
Okay. Today's Wednesday.
Yep. Today's Wednesday, so you guys have math class with Miss Prince tomorrow.
Miss Cheatham.
Yes, Jose.
Can you read me number 4?
Jose, I already read that to you.
I was gone.
Well, you asked me to read it, Jose. You need to stay by your computer so that you can listen.
Yeah, but I was.
All right, I will read it to you. We don't have very much time, Jose, so you have to work fast, okay? Write 2 addition sentences you can use to solve the problem. Camila has 5 shells. Then she finds 4 more shells. How many shells does she have now?
So Camila has 5 shells.
Yep. And then she finds 4 more shells. How many shells does she have now?